I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be painting the beautiful Dresden Castle in ink and watercolor. We will also take a moment to explore its fascinating history while I walk you through the process from the first ink lines to the final watercolor layers. I begin with a light pencil sketch to map out the main structures. Once I'm happy with the composition and everything feels balanced, I move on to drawing with a dip pen and ink. I like to build the drawing by starting with the larger shapes, then gradually working my way toward the final details. Dresden Castle stands at the heart of the old city. Its story begins in the early 13th century when it serves as a fortress. Over the centuries, it grew into a symbol of Dresden's culture and artistic identity, blending Romanesque roots with Renaissance and Baroque elegance. Dresden Castle's walls have seen centuries of change. Fires, reconstructions, and wartime destruction reshaped it many times, yet its spirit endured. During World War II, Dresden Castle was almost completely destroyed. For decades, it remained a shell of its former self. But careful restoration began in the 1980s, and I have to admit, when I visited Dresden, I hardly noticed any sign of destruction it had once suffered. Once the ink is totally dry, I move on to watercolor wash. And here's the final result, an ink and watercolor painting of the Dresden Castle. If you enjoyed this video which combines urban sketching with a touch of art history, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment as to what places inspired your art. Thank you for joining me today and I will see you in the next video.